Hello everyone and welcome to another Elliott Wave Forecast Charts of the Day video. Today is the 29th of July around 10:25 p.m. Eastern Times, and here we go with Charts of the Day video. Today we're going to talk about the S&P 500. Charts of the Day can be seen every single day and Elliott Wave Forecast. You scroll down the side. Yesterday was Google. Today is going to be the S&P. Members can see the forecast inside the members area. They click here on charts of day and they look at the S&P among the indices, and they're gonna see all the different updates, like the later update here in Asia, the 4 hour day, and on and on and on. Very simple to navigate, all the instruments in your hands right there. Over the weekend or early in the week, we were expecting the S&P to sell. We were calling the S&P and what we call an Elliott Wave an expanded flat. What is an expanded flat? It's a three that break above the top of the wave one, and then a 5 weeks decline. The S&P, in our opinion, ending doing what we call a regular flat. This is the expanded. The B breaks the peak over here and sell, and the regular flat is the one in which it goes three. The B doesn't break the peak of the wave one peak, and then it sell. We believe that the S&P can be in that process of doing a regular flat and staying lower against the lows at 63.51. And expanded flat will be 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I believe that this is gonna result in a correction, and looking at the shorter cycles, this is how the big wave looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we believe that right here we should be ending the wave one or nesting into the wave one of the C wave in blue, the C wave in black, and it's gonna be weak for the next few sessions. Expecting in the middle is gonna be a bounce. This is one way that the S&P can go. The other way is that the S&P go over here, and instead of doing a flat, it will do here a W. It will bounce, and the S&P gonna do 7 swing lower, something very similar to what we're calling on the Dow Jones here, something very similar to this in overall. But overall, we're expecting weakness in the indices, either in a flat or in a 7 swing structure against the lows of March 30. Then the trend, it will renew. As always, we present the path. There can be more than one path, but at the end, the bottom line is that we explain members when to buy it. We're going to be presenting the blue boxes when the time comes, and we are using the highest degree time frame in order to locate the timing of the next risk on buying. If you like the video, join us. Click on Elliott Wave Forecast right here. Take either a plan, a pay member, a membership plan, or you can take the 14-day trial for just $9.99. That's the S&P for today. See you guys around. Have a good night, everyone.